thing, but we're going to try and catch Ao-85.
Mike 20, Echo Mike 10 here, 73.
Almost 70 degrees out. A lot better than it has been the last few days. Sun was out for a while, but then these clouds are rolled in. I don't know if it's supposed to storm or not. They were talking about some sort of air quality issue from, I guess, some more fires down in Canada. No, some more fires down in Kansas. Any air quality warnings or anything? I checked the air quality online. It's at a 44, which is a reasonable, comfortable level. So I don't know what that's all about, but it's supposed to be almost 80 tomorrow and the rest of the weekend. So hopefully we'll be able to get out and enjoy some of that. There's something you don't see every day. A city bus being towed. Alright, it's Saturday. It is almost 75 degrees out. It's still a little foggy from those Kansas fires. Saturday night, it sounds like there's some contests going on. You got, let's see, all kinds. QDX contests, there's CW contests, there's some state contests going on. I think the band isn't in the best shape, but hey, if the signal's out there, you might be able to hear it. And here we go with some of our first severe thunderstorms weather coverage of the season. So yeah, we'll be lucky to get any hail or wind out of it and everything. It's holding together pretty good, but you know, most of it's way down south of us. So, but over in Geneva, Bruning, close to Crete and everything, they're going to get hammered quite a bit, looks like. Yeah, you can kind of see it in the sky here, especially over to the west. Hear a little thunder there. You can see the difference in the clouds there, and there's nothing below there. Pretty well in the last 78 miles. I was moving about 42 miles. So I'm trying to get over here, point toward me, away from the wind. If some good lightning happens. The thing is, though, out and everything, doing a time lapse, you miss all these lightning flashes because they're only like a tenth to a quarter of a second long. There was it. Okay, we're about 5 or 6 minutes out. I need to get the software on that.